Hey everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Hello Ava. What do you got on your head?
It's Santa hat.
Santa hat, why?
Because it's almost Christmas.
It's almost Christmas time. Do you love Christmas?
Yeah, because you get presents.
You do? From who?
Santa.
Ooh, that sounds fun. Is this a Santa hat?
Yeah.
Do you want to draw a Christmas holiday drawing today?
Yeah.
What should we draw?
A wreath.
A wreath?
And decorations.
What is a wreath?
It's where to put on your door or on your window or anywhere.
Oh, that sounds pretty cool. Okay, let's draw a holiday wreath with Ava. Say thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us from Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Red.
Okay, everybody, get your red markers. We're going to try to make this as easy as possible. So let's start out with a circle, a little circle right here toward the bottom.
Mine is a little bit big.
Okay. We'll go up,
Up!
and go down, down. Kind of like an X. Now we're going to connect these two right here. 1. Yeah, that looks good. 2. Okay, let's do, now I'm going to do a couple of ribbons.
Me
1,
too. Down,
over,
over,
and up,
and up,
and another one bigger,
and another one bigger,
over,
over,
and up.
and up.
Okay, let's put our cap on the red and let's get a green.
Okay, got a green.
Okay, let's do a big circle. Let's start down here. I'm making it kind of bumpy. Can you make it bumpy and go all the way around? And connect it. Good, that looks awesome. Okay, and we'll do the center here. Do it. Some bumpies.
A bump, and a bump, and a bump, and a bump, and a bump. Look, it's right in its brain.
What do you think? Right in its brain? All right. So here's our wreath.
There's not any room because that one is in the middle.
Should we draw some red berries? What are they called? Holly berries?
Yeah.
Okay. So get your red.
Wait, I think they're called cherries.
Cherries, okay. Holly cherries. Let's do one right here. 1, 2,
I'm going to do small
3.
ones.
Over here, let's do 1, 2, 3.
I got 3 ones.
I like to do them in bunches of 3. 1, 2, 3.
I like doing them like this in straight lines.
Good job. Okay, those are my holly berries.
It's just like freckles.
Should we color this thing? This is our simple wreath for
I'm
young
not
artists.
finished.
Say fast forward.
Not yet. I'm not finished.
Fast forward.